Okay, so I'm in the carboxylic acids part 2 notes pack. I just want to show you a slight change to the way I'd normally draw the mechanisms. So we're on the page 2, as you can just see down the bottom there, and we're looking at nucleophilic addition elimination with water, which is the first time you meet the mechanism. The front end here is all exactly the same. However, when you get to the second part here, this intermediate is just what you would normally draw. You've added on your water and you've formed your intermediate. However, now, as I normally say to my students, I've got one lone pair, two charges, and I draw 3 arrows on this intermediate. So the arrow that you see here, I draw on this first intermediate here, so therefore I don't have to draw that second intermediate. So if I put that arrow onto there instead, let's just find my pen again. If I draw the arrow onto there instead, okay, you can see that all I've done is put that arrow there onto there, so now I've got one intermediate here. Therefore I've got one lone pair, 2 charges, 3 arrows. That then can go directly to my product down here. I then don't need to draw any of those there, and I can, if I wanted to, put my CL, whoops, can't draw very well with this drawing tool, CL minus down there. Okay, so that's how I will go through some of the mechanisms when we do the Zoom later in the week, and how I've done it for some of the examples. So there are quite a lot of mechanisms of obviously nucleophilic addition elimination in this pack. If you want to just copy out the notes, that's fine. However, if you can manage to put all the 3 arrows on the one intermediate to the product, that's fine. So when you're looking later on, you can see there the next one, rather than drawing 2 intermediates out, then put that arrow there over onto the first intermediate, then you can go straight to your product down here. Okay, so just look carefully when you're going through your notes, another one there, etc. But as I say, everything in the pack is fine, but it would be helpful if you could just draw out one intermediate. Okay, thank you.